पता है who's coming back to India?
Dua Lipa.
We were having so much fun that we started dancing
Yeah.
in our seats.
But if you have the money,
Financial decision. What the
Environment. समझा नहीं उसको बेचारी.
क्या
कल समझेगा.
Cake murderer और 20 seconds जुड़ा है.
fell on earth.
सिर के बल.
I just felt like I love this Rakhi as well, you know. Like
I feel like
I don't. It doesn't have to be crazy.
You're introduced
To
to
be
a very
likable.
different side of her.
और कमेंट करते हो ना इंस्टाग्राम में किसी सेलिब्रिटी के पोस्ट पे तो कसम से एक जॉब ले लो, एक काम करो, जॉब पे बैठ जाओ, क्योंकि है ना सेलिब्रिटी को तुम्हारे कमेंट्स पढ़ने की कोई शौक नहीं, ना कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा आपके कमेंट्स, पता है?
Hi guys, this is Srishti.
I'm Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharam.
And yeah.
What's something that we've done last week and we've like absolutely loved it?
Srishti says as she did not live it with us.
What is something that we've all four done together apart from the podcast in the
Actually-
past week?
This was the first time that we ever saw a movie together. Did you guys know that?
Oh yeah! Oh shit!
It's always
Oh,
been
shit.
us
Always
at
been-
Srishti's.
No,
Hanging
yeah.
out at Srishti's.
It's always been like I've seen a movie with you and we've gone.
Oh
to
fuck you! That was a bad experience. I don't want to talk about that movie. Please.
Which movie?
Pissed off.
Sorry.
We saw the Taylor
Taylor
Swift
Swift.
movie together, and
Oh.
knowing that I am such a big Swiftie,
Uh-huh.
newly turned Swiftie, so she was, in her defense, going through something very terrible at that time.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember this. I remember she ruined it for you.
I don't want to say that.
Not putting it lightly at
I don't
all.
wanna say
I did not put that
verbatim.
lightly at all.
But compared to that, this experience was just phenomenal.
Fun.
It was so
See, other than the fact that the movie also was good,
Great
Yeah.
movie.
the four of us actually had like a lot of fun watching it.
Tell
But
them
just
what
by
we're
the
talking
way,
about.
we watched Stree 2 together.
Yeah.
And this was our
Four
first
Strees,
movie.
two
Four Stree. Four Strees watching Stree 2. But yeah, this was the first movie that we watched together.
It was so funny that I was sometimes in disbelief. How can you make comedy like that with horror?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, I'm
Yeah.
usually not a fan of mixing horror with comedy. But if it's done tastefully,
Yeah.
like this movie, I
Right.
really, really enjoy it.
Same,
Very
same.
good.
Also, guys, you remember like while we were on the way to the movie and all of us just kept talking,
Yapping.
yapping, and then at one point Zia was like, अभी कोई नहीं बोलेगा
जब
जो
तक-
भी बोलेगा
Yeah.
जब तक थिएटर नहीं पहुंचते जो भी बोलेगा
Yeah. Has to pay for the cab.
has to pay for the
Has to pay for the cab. And we all shut the fuck
Because
up.
we took an
Silent.
Uber.
We were like,
Silent.
zip it up. No one
said
saying a word. We had to
one
actually, yeah, we were actually typing on our group, I think, to chat. We were like, and Dhritika was the first one to do that. We were like, अभी ये pay करेगी. क्यों chat किया? Message क्यों किया तूने?
But that journey was good. That
Amazing.
movie was great.
That evening was good.
You know,
Yeah.
do you guys remember the first song in the movie? And we were having so much fun that we started dancing
Yeah.
in our seats.
They
and
started dancing.
we made the
It was a
our
romantic
entire row dance with us.
Yeah.
I wish I was making this up, but we are already influencers, guys. Like, this is not.
I have a video of that.
You do?
Yeah.
We were sitting on the last row, okay, like एकदम पीछे
अंदर
we were
के कोने
sitting,
में.
अंदर एकदम कोपचे में we were sitting, and the first, it was like a proper item song.
Yeah, yeah.
It was a
Yeah.
very
No,
jhataki,
it
like a
was-
very
it was not
vibey
an item
song.
song. It was a romantic song, but
We turned it into an item song
Yeah.
for our
But-
pleasure.
like the chorus of the song was very catchy.
Yeah,
So you
yeah,
guys
yeah,
were
yeah,
And we
yeah,
all
yeah.
were like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
And the entire row, and they were office going crowd, okay, and they
And
were
it
like,
was a good theater, huh? It was not one of those shady ones, huh? Like,
Yeah, yeah,
very
yeah,
good
good
theater.
theatres,
Yeah,
good
good
theatre.
crowd.
This one bought the tickets, that's why.
yeah. But yeah,
We
thank
had
you.
a recliner seat. Nice it was.
And the entire row, the office crowd and like old people also were like vibing with us and they were dancing. And
They
then
were
we were like,
we made everyone vibe.
yes.
I remember Zia was like, in like a funny moment, she would like laugh and then she'd be like, आगे वाली सीट पे ऐसे कोनी रख के देख रही है.
I was engrossed.
Yeah, she
It
was.
so
she was.
good.
So Zia was like engrossed where she was like leaning in front and then
Yeah.
Dhritika was getting scared with the jump scares.
Ritika and I
She
were
screamed. Bro, no, the first. Sorry.
Even
the three
I.
of us cramped, yeah.
Yeah, I was just like, whenever, you know that part. Okay, spoiler alert, guys.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So you know that hairball thingy.
Oh yeah, dude, that was
rotates-
actually
time.
kind of scary.
That
Yeah.
rotates,
The first
rotates,
time,
rotates.
Yeah.
And then you just see that face. And I was
Yeah.
like,
So
The,
scary.
so that's the thing. The face was not that scary, but it's just
The
creepy.
build-up.
Like the
The
build up.
build-up.
Yeah, it's like
The
it
build-up
rolling
to
and
it.
then
Some part of me was like, you know,
Abhi
why is this
aayega.
scary? Is because what if I have hair fall like that? What is like such a big ball of hair?
It
What
happens
will I do then?
sometimes.
This big? It was, baby, are you fine? Are you okay? So you need to get that checked, babe.
I need to get.
But
No,
yeah,
yeah.
besides that, the performances of the actors, I just Rajkumar Rao does it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
He always has delivered.
Yeah, and
yeah,
for some
yeah.
reason he's such an underrated actor.
He's not
Very-
underrated at this
No,
point.
no,
I don't
no,
think
no,
he's
no.
underrated.
He
He's
used
not
to be.
anymore. He used
Yeah,
to be.
he
used
Not
to be.
anymore. Not anymore.
I just remember him. I don't know if I should say this or not, but like there was this interview with Sonam Kapoor.
Oh yeah.
That
I was
is
like,
so
babe, you need to
good.
get off your high horse right now.
Right.
like Rajkumar Rao can just say one line and that's
Bro,
it.
that's the end of acting.
his
That's
talent
it.
can like end. Oh.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm
it already
sorry.
has. She doesn't do movies anymore.
I mean, yeah, you proved my
Did she,
point,
did
right?
she like retire?
I don't
after-
know.
She got married or something.
She got married. She,
She
had
has
a
a
baby.
kid. But
I
like,
like, bro, people can have a career after babies. Also.
Yeah, Alia
Yeah,
Bhatt.
we're not saying
yeah, but
that.
she's just not been doing movies.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
Anushka
Same thing with
Sharma.
Anushka Sharma.
Anushka
Yeah.
Sharma.
But like, I think Anushka Sharma chose to like stop. I remember I saw a reel or something.
No,
which
in one
mentioned,
interview
Haan,
she
like
had
an interview she
mentioned.
mentioned like
Yeah.
after
After
having a
getting
kid.
I
married.
want to see her
After
on
having
screen
a
again
kid.
though. She was
Yeah,
very
I
good.
like
She was
her, I like
amazing.
her.
Her favorite performances, like my favorite performances of her would be Sultan and NH10.
And Band Baja Barat.
Band Baja Barat.
Beautiful. No. Band Baja Barat is like a natural arc that you can see that other female leads could also perform. But NH10 was something different.
Only she could do.
It was very different. I think you guys should see it.
I think she should have been casted in Neerja also.
yeah.
I see that.
I see that.
I'm not. This is not Sonam Kapoor slander, guys.
Yeah. But we're just like
still,
seeing different
yeah.
people who could also fit
Her
the
and
role.
Deepika.
Deepika
could have done
Deepika
a
would-
good
could
job
have
in
done
that.
Yeah,
movie.
Deepika too. But I think I would love to see Anushka Sharma.
Yeah.
as Neerja.
Deepika's
Yeah.
a very versatile.
Yep.
I'm sad that she doesn't get
Actress.
roles,
Good
like Alia Bhatt. Because
Hmm.
she might be there. What was that movie where it was extremely adult with the Dube song?
Gehraiya.
Gehraiya.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
heard it was a very good performance. I
It
don't
is a
know.
beautiful movie. The story
It's not adult.
It
My
was.
parents didn't let
It
me
was,
watch.
It was.
It was.
Yeah, it was.
My parents watched it and then they were like, you don't watch. Same thing they did with Mirzapur also. And I have this thing now that if my parents watch something, I won't watch it.
Yeah, once my dad saw me watching Sacred Games, like when it came out
Yeah,
at
yeah,
that
yeah.
time, and he was like, "You're watching this?"
My-
And I was like,
Same.
"Yeah,"
My-
and then he was like,
My mom caught me watching Game of Thrones back in 10th.
Oh my god, oh my god. I
Oh,
remember you started before your boards, you
Board.
doofus.
Yeah.
You
I was like,
duffer.
मुझे देखना है इसमें क्या नंगू पुंगू दिखा रहा है. Even I want to see. But I'm just curious, not like to actually watch soft porn.
With Sanjana, you can never do.
Hey, I mean. But yeah, coming back to Stree
3-2.
2. Stree 2, yeah. Even the, what was the guy who was like the scapegoat? What was his name? Jana.
Bro,
I love him.
Dude, he's
I love him.
cutie only, yaar.
We were going a little bit insane while watching it
Okay.
because we were.
तू क्या spoiler alert? अब तक तो
Spoiler
सबने
दे,
देख
alert
ली-
भी छोड़ दे.
हाँ,
अब
देख
तक
ही
तो
लिया है।
सबने देख ली होगी. भाई जब जना मरा,
और जब वो उठा
नहीं, जब वो मरा, I was like,
Yeah, I was almost like on the verge of tears.
yeah, and then जब वो वापस आया,
It was very funny. They
Bhago.
went from like literally sad people, your audience is about to cry, to your audience is literally not even on their seats.
Exactly,
laughing.
exactly,
How did they
exactly.
manage to do that? And besides that, when Jana was like doing all that, like आँख बंद करके and
हाँ.
everything. We were like, fuck, this is Stranger Things.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
exactly Stranger
We
Things.
actually
We have a
named all the
theory.
characters.
Bro,
Yeah.
guys, we
the
have
four
a
of
theory.
us have a theory.
That this was a combination of so many
So
movies,
many movies.
in one.
Yeah.
There was Stranger Things.
There was
There
Marvel.
was Marvel.
Marvel.
There was Spider-Man.
Yeah, like Marvel.
So,
Huh.
all the
yeah,
Marvel.
yeah. Then there was
characters.
there were many things.
Yeah.
Doctor Strange भी बोला था
Yeah,
बीच
Doctor
में.
Strange.
But Doctor Strange again a part of Marvel. So we have a theory.
Temple Run.
Temple Run was too. We sometimes it felt like this is like Temple Run. I don't know
When they were
why.
just running.
Yeah.
And that
That bike
Sarkana-
scene. That bike scene.
Bro, the
Dude,
bike
that
scene
was
was
so
so
funny.
funny.
That was
So
that's
funny.
too funny, bro.
Why did he stand up?
Bro, I would do that too because you're trying to run away from it as much as you can. So even if you stand like, okay, fine, it'll bite my ass. Like, okay, I'll take that.
Yeah. So this Bhedia's 3 universe could actually become something big in like the Indian
Yeah.
context, and I'm very excited to see what
Because
happens
at the
with
end of it, also they show that there's another part coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So,
the first Bollywood movie that I've seen that had a post credit. I've never seen a
So
Bollywood.
many of them.
2.
Jawan maybe hai.
Huh.
no, I'm
Jawan
pretty
I
sure
say.
there have been movies with
Jawan
post
maybe.
Me
credits.
personally, this was the first
Okay.
one I saw.
Yeah.
Jawan maybe.
I can't
नहीं
remember,
शायद.
but yeah.
Animal में था.
Huh, yes, Animal में था.
Animal is going to become a franchise?
Yeah, Animal Park.
Animal Park.
What?
Yeah.
That is
एक
so
guy बनेगा.
embarrassing. That is
so
so
एक
bad.
बैल
embarrassing.
बनेगा.
That is so bad.
You can't see it, but like I have goosebumps. That's how embarrassing this is.
So the 4 of us, we have this theory that Stree 2 is like Multiverse of Madness and Stranger Things combined.
Right.
Yeah.
So Stranger Things में कैसे 11 है, ये श्रद्धा कपूर उनकी 11 है, जना उनका
बस
villain है.
श्रद्धा कपूर के पास बहुत ज्यादा बाल है. श्रद्धा कपूर की लंबी छोटी है.
valid, yes.
और ये जना विल है, वो अपसाइड डाउन में जाके आया,
Yes,
आँख
yes.
बंद करता है तो उसको
दिख
दिखता
He
है.
जाता
can
है.
sense the demon. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. फिर वो क्या बोलते हैं,
Rajkumar. Rao.
राजकुमार राव इज माइक,
Yeah.
then
Vicky.
विकी प्लीज,
Please, हाँ.
and then
The-
अपर शक्ति खुराना, बिट्टू नो,
Bittu, yeah.
बिट्टू, he is the
Luke.
Luke guy.
Luke and
Luke or
the
Lucas, right?
I forget his name, yaar.
पंकज त्रिपाठी.
Pankaj Tripathi is like the teacher they had in first season.
Not teacher.
The
That
police
That
inspector.
science professor, baby.
The
No,
police
the
oh,
police
he's
inspector.
the elder brother. Mike's elder brother.
No, the
No,
police
no,
inspector.
Mike
police.
didn't have an elder brother.
Arre-
He had an elder
elder
sister.
sister Nancy.
No, Nancy.
Steve.
Yes,
Steve.
yes.
Steve.
He's
Either
someone's elder
Steve,
brother.
The
I think it's the police inspector.
Even
The police,
I think
yeah.
the
valid.
police for sure.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
It was very.
And
All of
there's
this is
very
not,
similar.
they're not related, but like this is the thing that we're playing in our head.
Yeah.
So
And
deal
there's
with it.
like this upside down
Yeah.
where they go,
Yeah.
and Sarukata is over there. मस्त था, मजा आया.
हाँ.
हाँ,
Nice
और अगर आपने
correlation.
नहीं देखी होगी मूवी तो मतलब we तो suggest skip only all this. We
Yeah.
already said everything.
You're getting it for free.
Yeah, you're getting for free. वहाँ पर तुम दोगे 450 रुपए, पता नहीं पसंद आएगी नहीं आएगी.
Yeah.
नहीं,
आ
ऐसे नहीं.
जाएगी.
Actually
आ
आ
जाएगी.
जाएगी. It's worth
पसंद आ
watching.
जाएगी.
Even after getting spoilers, it is worth watching
Yeah.
because it is so good.
I got so many spoilers in just 2 days after release.
I'm so sad for you. What are you
Bro,
ever
I was
gonna
in
do?
the office. I knew the fact that Jana is gonna die, then he's gonna wake up. I knew that, but still, when it happened, I was like, oh.
The struggles of a woman in her 20s.
Yeah. And watching a fab movie. Like,
Anyway, speaking of universes, there was something PR related that was tried, that was attempted in the Hollywood scene recently.
Yeah, I know. I think I know what you're talking
Yeah.
about.
So, It Ends With Us came out last week, I believe. And we all know that there was so much controversy behind it.
Right.
First and foremost, everyone knows the thoughts that people have about Colleen Hoover. You know, she's just a cheesy writer.
Right.
She's like, who wrote Two States? Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan
She's like
Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat
Of Hollywood.
of Hollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she came after Chetan Bhagat, so she's like a copy. She got popular after Chetan Bhagat,
Yeah.
so she's
Yeah.
like a copy. And it's basically like Smart. Her
And it's
books
not
are-
even tasteful smut because
Right.
go ahead, I'll
बोल ना.
no because I have been the victim of
You read? You've read?
of reading the book
Shut
because
up.
I was in that phase where I was like,
Ew.
I'm gonna read Colleen
Colleen Hoover.
Hoover's.
I'm a reader.
I'm a reader.
Ew.
And I started with like one of
It ends
those.
with us.
Yeah.
Oh my
What?
god.
Ew.
I remember having
And-
the book, but I never read it.
No,
You
because
have it? My
I
sister reads
think-
Colleen Hoover like very religiously.
Still?
She's on like a
Wow.
4th or 5th book, bro. There's so much fucking Colleen Hoover in my house. It's insane.
Ew.
I feel
So I-
uncomfortable in my house.
so I remember reading the book I think a couple of years ago.
Oh,
and,
Acha, you were ahead of your time, huh?
yeah, big a reader back in like
Yeah. Back then you got it
2020.
from TikTok, na?
I think, yeah. Because
TikTok pe she's big, huh? There's a
Yeah,
whole
yeah.
culture.
there's a
Yeah,
book
yeah.
talk kind of thing.
talk, yeah.
Yeah. So from
Colleen talk.
I don't know about that, but like I know book talk is a thing, and I used to get like a couple of recommendations from there. I read the book and I was like, okay, it's whatever. Because back then I was like, oh my god, this is so good,
Yeah.
like smart and everything. And then I like recently, like a couple of months ago, they started with showing behind the scenes of the movie and stuff of being
Yeah.
filmed, and everyone had such a different picture of what Lily Bloom should look like, because from the book she looked like a very timid, like a soft
It's
person.
open to interpretation. Like that's the beauty of books.
Yeah, but then if so many people collectively have this one idea of what Lily Bloom should look like, and then what the producers actually made her to be like in reality were like poles apart.
I feel like if Colleen had more of a say herself, like J.K. Rowling did in Harry
Maybe,
Potter,
maybe
it
that was
would
a
have-
very good like adaptation of the book
Right.
in Harry Potter.
पता नहीं मैंने book भी नहीं पढ़ी ना ही मैंने कोई
No,
movie देखी है.
Same.
From what I've heard, it was good, but first of all, Blake Lively was too old to play such a young character.
I agree.
Because you
But
could just
wasn't there a
see,
younger version of Lily Bloom?
yeah, that
there
was her child, like her teenage version.
But she also looked like a woman only in the
But
press
bro, you
interviews.
know how American teenagers are, right? They're going to be 30 and they're going to be portrayed as 17-year-olds.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what happened here also. Blake Lively is like, she's a mom of 2 and she's like quite old.
Yeah, yeah.
2 or 3, like she's
Four.
quite...
She gave birth to her 4th child right now.
Okay, but what I'm
Oh,
trying to say is like, she's an older woman, and for her to be
Yeah.
portraying a
She
much
does
younger...
look stunning. She does look
Yeah,
beautiful.
but then for the
Yeah,
role that she
no.
was she was playing, it just didn't fit.
Fit the part, yeah.
Yeah. She
Yeah.
couldn't do justice to it, I feel.
Yeah, and
So-
Yeah.
apart from all of that, I feel like I have this theory that she might have sabotaged her movie to promote her husband's movie.
No. So
In the press conference.
I was thinking of that.
don't think that.
My opinion about that is see what had happened. So we all know that what she's doing in her press interviews is not really giving a lot of weight to the domestic violence in the movie. Which
Yeah.
yes, Lily Bloom is the kind of character that grew out of that domestic violence, but a lot of women, from what I've heard, the readers of Colleen Hoover, they really wanted it to have more of a heavy part to play in the press also, because people should know that it is about
Yeah, because-
domestic violence,
Right.
and people should know it's about advocating for it.
Exactly.
And she, a lot of the viewers said, played it down. So I want to believe the women that are watching and that are actually consumers of this content. Now, she is using these press conferences to promote her brand and promote her husband. But you know what I think the conversation must have been like in the Lively Reynolds household? I know exactly what it would have been. So Ryan comes in and he's probably like, bro, we got like Deadpool or whatever, and Blake Lively is like, oh my god, we might do an adaptation of it. It ends with us, and then they both think to themselves, because they're this power couple that is like branded everywhere.
Mhm.
They probably thought to themselves, let's create Barbenheimer Part 2.
Right.
And that is why this is made like Lily Bloom's character is like, wear your florals, bring your girls to this. It's not a wear your florals and bring your girls. It's actually Deadpool is the Barbie, and
ends with us
It
as the
ends with us as the Oppenheimer.
Yeah.
Did you
This is-
know
What?
Ryan Reynolds actually wrote part of the movie?
You know,
I love Ryan Reynolds, bro.
but that is all PR, because this has made me think that this is all PR, because Justin Baldoni actually wanted to like
Advocate for
it.
domestic violence,
So-
and like
Violence, I know.
even if you see it in his interviews and whatever PR he's been doing, it's all for domestic violence,
yeah.
and none of it is like, oh, wear your florals, come with your
Yeah.
girlfriends.
Or like buy my shampoo. So where I think like the Blake Reynolds PR team went wrong was when Justin was coming out and he was like, this is for we want to do this for women and everything, and then Blake and the PR team must have felt very attacked. As like a smear campaign against Baldoni, they did an interview where she said that Justin Baldoni kind of like fat shamed me.
Yeah.
I'll tell you
What?
how.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she had just given birth, and Justin had a back injury. Okay, so he asked like the Blake's people, "Okay, what is her weight? Because I
Yeah.
can't. I have to pick her up.
Okay,
in a
okay,
So
certain
I
okay,
can
way."
okay, okay,
practice
okay.
So I can
beforehand.
Understood.
And then she took that as she fat shamed me. And another thing was one time when he kissed me, it like lingered for like 2 or 3 more seconds.
Yeah. Then it should have.
That तो ठीक है, हुआ भी होगा, but you're in that. Like, it's not the
Yeah,
first time
it's
it's probably
difficult.
happened. I
Yeah.
don't want to belittle women's, the
No,
things
but
that
like,
happen
it's
no.
difficult.
on the set.
It's difficult at times for actor to snap out of it.
Yeah.
At the very
Yeah,
instant.
true,
It's
true.
difficult for actors at times to completely like.
And if
okay,
you
cut,
want it to
switch.
seem a little real, I'm not like justifying anything, but like
course not.
if you're trying to make it seem like a real scene, then
Yeah.
2-3 seconds, like it's bound to happen.
Yeah.
And it honestly, it felt like both of them were very like against each other in their PR, because what Blake Lively is standing for and what Justin is standing for are
Yeah.
completely different things.
Yeah.
And they don't feel like they are co-stars in one movie.
Exactly.
Right,
So
right.
I saw this one interview in which this reporter is asking Blake
I think I saw
that so this character that you're playing, and this character has been oppressed, like, and has went through domestic violence and everything, but contrary to that, in your real life you really have a good husband and a great household.
Right.
So how did you like work for this character?
Good
And
question.
Yeah.
what did she say? And my hair, don't they look stunning?
Yeah. I think
No.
This
way.
is the answer, and it's not edited.
I think
It's
not
Blake
edited.
is definitely going through something. She's not this bad at PR.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is not her, because from what I've seen from her other work
People
also,
love her. There must be a reason. I never watched Gossip Girl. I never got behind that train.
bro. I
Me
love
neither.
But the people that love her really love her.
I
I'm
love
just
her.
puzzled as to how this went so wrong.
Yeah,
so
even-
badly south.
Even
like-
I have like been constantly watching Gossip Girl. I still do, even
Yeah.
though I finished it 7-8 times.
My God.
But I still do, and
I'm not
after
that
that
obsessed.
also, I have watched other movies of hers too. But this
Yeah.
is something very
I'd
unexpected.
So I
about
have not
this,
watched it, and I
yeah.
don't want to watch it because of just like
what happened now.
not even what happened now. I actually don't care for it anymore because of just I feel like I've lived that movie through all these interviews. I was like, it's not gonna feel like a movie at
Yeah,
all. I'm
because-
just gonna look for things.
So
Yeah.
yesterday I actually watched it for the sake of this episode, like the podcast only.
Yeah.
And I, of course, already knew what to expect because I read the book. But I just felt so like disconnected first with the characters, because it just felt very like jumpy, and it didn't feel
It
like
didn't
they
feel like
connected.
Lily. It felt like Blake.
Yeah, and you could just, even as a layman, you could just see so many things that were off with the movie. One, okay, fine. The only thing I really, really appreciate was the casting of the young Lily to the
Yeah, it was pretty spot on.
dude, to the point where her moles and stuff
They're
weren't-
real,
they
yeah.
were real.
Oh
Damn.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they really
so
got a good
they
one.
did a really great job with casting the young and the old Lily. But other than that, it just felt very like disconnected with what the
You can
Yeah.
see
Storyline
the
had to
fact
be.
that there was a director with a vision, and one of the actors' famous husbands came in and redirected some scenes.
and Justin
Yeah,
also
yeah.
wasn't very on board with Ryan, like just coming in and like
no shit, dude.
Wha-
Imagine
exactly
being
no.
Justin.
Yeah,
Of
no, of
course
course,
not,
because
of
he is
course.
trying to bring something very serious to light, and if you're going to completely overshadow that with something like
Yeah.
Hair.
flowers and hair, like of course it's going to piss you the fuck off.
Obviously.
So it's very valid and justified for Justin to feel that, and like it's very wrong or like just very off on Blake's part
I
to
think this
introduce
all
that.
is very, very, very well thought, so that people talk about the movie.
Bro,
Oh, maybe.
No,
Like
I
these-
mean, if it was a good movie, you would still talk about it, right?
No. If it
Obviously, you
the
talked about
movie is
Sleepy.
bad, they know the movie is bad. That's why they're like, oh, let's do some random shit as controversy.
I believe the Barbenheimer thing because I saw it in
Yeah,
an
yeah.
Instagram comment.
Dude, see,
Yeah.
even
For-
if
Yeah.
Barbenheimer
If-
and this is very connected.
Listen,
like they're trying to make a shit controversy to make it look like it's a Barbenheimer. Very connected.
I get
Very
if
possible.
the book was bad or whatever, but then if they really wanted to flip it around, now they could have done a good job with what people had preconceived notions of the book. They could have completely flipped that around with a good movie.
Yeah.
While making a good movie. Like, you don't have to make a bad movie just to be like, oh, people will talk shit, they're at least talking about it. No. If it's a good movie, people will talk good about it.
Yeah.
They just didn't make it.
I mean,
well.
before we end on this topic, just wanted to let the viewers know that, of course, the character of Lily Bloom is, is an individual who grew from the domestic violence.
Yeah.
And we just think that where Blake's PR team and Blake's interviews went wrong was that she did not even acknowledge that. fact.
Acknowledge it, didn't
Yeah.
touch
She,
it.
yeah,
Like,
and she promoted her shit over it, which is just in horrible taste.
Yeah.
I agree.
And one more thing I saw was like this one interview. She was asked that so there are a lot of people who go through this. So what do you suggest they should be doing? So a normal person's response to this, or someone who's been through media training, would say something like, "Oh, there are these suicide
Helplines.
helplines,
Not
yeah,
suicide,
yeah.
like
not
these
suicide,
like
domestic violence
helplines.
helplines numbers. You can try contacting them, or
Yeah.
you can just call.
just provide them with
911.
any assistance.
Yeah. Like no,
Yeah,
something
like a
like
normal
that.
response.
Or there are, even these signs that you show to
Yeah.
the police officers to let them know that you're in trouble or something. You know what she said? I can give my number. I can send my location.
Oh, shit, yeah.
You can
I
always
saw
get in touch with
that.
me. I was
Are you
like,
serious,
what
Blake?
are you
Can
gonna
we? Can I DM you right
I
now?
know, I
The
saw
hell?
that. I saw that. I was like,
I was like,
What?
what
I
are you
never saw this.
saying?
I saw that.
Yo, I think she's.
I
okay.
don't know if she's doing it purposely or like
She's
what is
definitely
what
going
is
to, because
happening.
why would you spoil it so badly?
Yeah, and like you're not even spoiling the movie, you're spoiling your own image.
Yeah.
Like
That you've built so well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Apart from her being like a power couple, she also has her own individual
definitely.
personality in the media. And why would she spoil
Yeah,
it
like you said,
that?
I feel like there's definitely something behind this because it
Yeah.
cannot be like she's doing this voluntarily. There's
For
definitely
sure,
like a
bro.
bigger.
One interview is fine. Two interviews
You can
are
make a
fine.
mistake.
Yeah,
Exactly.
all of them. Not all the
I
interviews.
saw this
not all the
reel.
interviews.
Somebody was making fun of these interviews. The interview, this girl was acting it out. Okay, interview asks, so what do you want to say about this book and this movie adaptation of a woman going through domestic violence and actually finding herself? And Blake responds, "So my husband."
Yeah, I've
No,
seen that.
wait, I've
I've
seen
seen
that.
this one more reel where this girl is acting out, and then the interviewer was trying to ask Blake, like, so how was your experience working with Justin Baldoni? And Blake goes like, so you know who's not bald? My husband.
Husband.
Did you see this interview where I think it's Justin Baldoni only, and then somebody is interviewing him, and then he walks off, and like Ryan Reynolds comes back to interview him.
भाई ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा है मुझे उनके घर
ओ
पे राशन का
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है
Exactly.
मतलब
हाँ।
काफी पैसे इनके पास ये इतनी बकवास टैक्टिक्स
क्यों कर रहे हैं?
क्यों निकाल रहे हैं ये
क्यों
लोग
कर रहे हैं?
हाँ।
सच में
Like,
दिमागी
like
हालत
if they're trying something new, like I don't know if that's what they're going for. Like, oh, let's
But
try
it's
a
not
new
working.
approach to it.
It's
Yeah.
But
not working.
what is
Don't
going?
do
What
it.
is this?
चलो जाने दो let's change the topic
But there's this movie that I saw last week. It had no promotions whatsoever, just like word of mouth, and I was like, okay, I should watch it. It was Maharaja.
I've seen the
Guys,
posters of it.
I
yeah.
kid you not. So there's Maharaj on Netflix,
Yeah.
and there's Maharaja. I'm talking about Maharaja, the Lakshmi with the kachre ka dabba. Please watch that movie. Beautiful.
It's on
movie.
Hotstar or Prime, na?
Netflix.
Oh, okay.
Both are on Netflix.
So
Okay.
I started the movie, and I was like halfway through it, and I'm just trying to wrap my head around the idea of this man. He lost his dustbin, which he
don't spoil it yeah
no. I'm not spoiling it.
okay
This man, he lost his dustbin, and he goes to the police station to file a complaint for his missing dustbin.
Okay.
And then I was just trying to wrap my head around that idea that why is he behind the dustbin so bad?
there money in
Dustbin के अंदर कुछ था क्या? Dustbin सोने का था क्या?
Okay,
कुछ-
don't reveal it.
हाँ,
I'll go
कुछ है
and watch
क्या?
it.
But then when I saw the end, I was like, wow, how can they do it? And you know, okay,
So
Anurag
great
Kashyap,
storyline.
beautiful storyline, beautiful.
Okay,
Nothing that Indian cinema
who
has
made
seen
it?
until now. I don't remember the director's name, but it's a South Indian director.
It's gonna be good.
Beautiful
Yeah.
movie, bro. But bro, Anurag
Lucky the
Kashyap.
Racer Part 2.
Don't shit on that movie. That's my
I
favorite.
love that
it's
movie.
good.
movie.
She
Yeah,
said
I
it's
love that
good.
movie.
Yeah, that's our favorite
I love
movie.
that
I have
movie.
not watched it.
Same.
We have to watch. We have to even watch
My
it.
sister told me that she watched it once on Setmax and it was very good, so I believe her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, Anurag Kashyap, great director, but also an amazing actor. Anurag Kashyap is
Whoa.
the villain of the movie.
Oh,
It's not a spoiler. It's there. It's not a spoiler.
Okay.
So-
I can see him playing a villain.
Yeah, and then like I am
I
halfway
can't.
into the movie.
No.
Then you should watch the movie.
No, because he was a judge on some dance show, right? Anurag Kashyap, and he was such a jolly person. Now, matlab,
Yeah.
full time
No,
pass,
I can
full
see
masti.
him having like a different side too.
I can't.
You will
I need to see the
appreciate his
movie.
acting skills to the
Yeah,
max.
I need to see the movie.
Yeah, and then I was like halfway through the movie, and my dad comes out and he's like, "You're watching this movie?" I'm like, "Yeah." And he's like, "Dekh अच्छी है," and he just leaves. Okay, and I continue watching the movie, and the end happens, and I'm sobbing. I am
Okay.
sobbing like I have
She texted
cried.
us, guys.
I have cried for the next half an hour and I was just sobbing. And then one of my friends called me. He's like, "What happened? Why do you sound like that?" I was like, "I just watched Maharaja." He's like, "Why did you watch it? It's very sensitive and you cry at all the very small things." Then I'm
So
like,
Maharaj is different, Maharaja is different.
Yeah.
This is Maharaja.
"This is Maharaja."
Netflix can be weird sometimes like that. They
Yeah.
won't promote the good stuff, but then shit like fucking Emily in Paris gets like all the Emily in Paris.
Paris.
Yeah.
Emily in
Yeah.
Paris.
I think I don't hate Emily in Paris so much because she's not anything related. She's not doing anything related to my field. If I can understand why you guys hate her
Because
because
क्या बोल रही है?
why she
why
hates
she
her,
hates
why
her. Yeah.
Sanjana hates her so much specifically. If she was a
Yeah.
logistics person, I would be like,
No, this is not logical at all.
But like, I don't get one thing about her is, I don't know if that's just a skill or whatever, but like, how does she figure everything out at the very
She gets
Exactly.
one
It's
It's
idea.
just so superficial.
Exactly.
There is no character development. From the
Exactly.
first episode of the first season to the last episode of the
She's
last
always
season.
gotten out an idea from her ass crack and it's always
Yes.
worked.
Always work.
Always worked.
You know, she
Like,
got
oh my god, I have an idea. And then it's implemented.
Yeah.
And it's gotten a fucking 1,000 followers.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
campaign has worked.
yeah.
Her bosses are impressed. She fucks up, but she's still there.
I hate her because she resembles a lot to me in most of the aspects.
So you hate yourself.
Yeah, of course. Who
Of
doesn't?
yourself.
I love myself. What are you talking
No,
about?
I don't like myself. I'm too toxic.
Bro,
Same.
she literally lies through her teeth. Oh my god. She's the most self-obsessed person I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
Anyway, but
And there is a theory behind why Emily in Paris is like that and why it like keeps getting renewed for a new season. It's because that it's the only show on Netflix that can have product placements.
Yeah.
They had
I
3
agree.
good episodes of just McDonald's.
McDonald's.
And
And
Yeah.
people
Oh, yeah,
in
yeah,
France
yeah,
don't
yeah.
even go to McDonald's, honestly.
that is why, na?
McDonald's.
That's why they branded it as like a luxury, right?
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
show.
Oh yeah.
That's what they pulled off, and then they can just do that. They had another कोई गाड़ी का भी ad किया था वो
McLaren.
McLaren की.
Ha ha ha.
McLaren, the purple one.
The purple one. yeah,
McDonald's and McLaren की ad एक सीजन में की तू सोच उनको कितना पैसा मिला होगा.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
सोच. So that's why. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
why they won't cancel the show ever, and that's why they don't really need to like have a good basis of the show at all. Like they don't need to make a good show because it will work and people will hate watch it. Because I also hate.
Yeah.
people will either, of course, hate watch to hoga hi, but then it's also because of the aesthetic of it and like
It's party.
Yeah.
it's Paris, yeah, that is also there, and then like her outfits and like how easygoing her life is and like how
It's not
everything
easy going, bro. It's just
it's
drama.
it's
just drama.
portrayed to be like
No, like,
easygoing, right?
everything
Everything
falls
works
into
out.
place.
Her
Yeah.
life just falls into place at
Yeah.
all times. It's like a very
It's
easy
very
puzzle.
frustrating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's
I
not
want
like
Again,
that in
I
reality.
was watching it last night for the sake of this podcast only. I got to the to the third episode, I think, and I was like, bro, that's it. That's my quota. Like, I can't do anything
it's a good
more.
time pass for me.
It's a very good time pass, yes, but then I can also like see myself being like done with it after
it's
a
a
point.
good time
Yeah,
pass
I
for me
agree.
because when I watch it, I'm like, थोड़ी तो हूँ इसके जैसी पर इतनी तो पागल नहीं हूँ मैं इतनी तो पागल नहीं हूँ मैं खुश हूँ मैं ठीक है ऐसा फिर लगता है कि हाँ हमसे भी पागल लोग होते हैं हमसे भी
For
fucked up
sure,
mindset
for
वाले
sure.
होते हैं
Yeah.
तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है
Definitely. So speaking of fucked up, like it's a very, very tragic thing that's happening. But like Sunita Williams and Barry Wilmore, if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong, is these two like astronauts who I think they went on the 5th of June in space. And they were scheduled to come back like a couple of days later. Like within like a week or something, okay? And something
Short
went
trip.
yeah, it was like a pretty short trip. Why? And yeah, so they were like scheduled to come back in a couple of days, and like something went wrong with their aircraft.
Oh,
And like,
shit.
dude, they are stuck for like till Feb of next year.
Yo.
Like, I know these guys are doing like everything that they can to like get them back or whatever.
course.
But dude, it's so scary.
Yeah,
Like
dude,
being in
imagine
space alone on its own is scary. Like even when you know you're gonna come back.
मैं
Imagine
मेरी तो
being
Interstellar
uncertain.
देख के ही फट गई थी
No, real. But like, imagine just being so uncertain that you don't know when you're gonna come back.
yeah
bro.
तो वो तो होता ही है ना
resources भी
स्पेस
खत्म
के
हो गए
सीन से वो तो
अरे
होता ही है
they
अरे,
can't
but
even
नहीं
see
this
but they
is-
also take a certain amount of resources with them ना
Yeah.
because aircraft में weightage नहीं कर सकते उतना तो वो भी तो खत्म हो गया होगा how will they manage for so
पता है
long
वो लोग सुसु को फिल्टर करके पीते हैं
अरे
I was so obsessed with those videos when I was
Oh,
a
I
kid.
love
Arey,
those
fuck
videos.
all of that. The carbon dioxide I'm saying.
Oxygen.
The oxygen is also very limited.
yeah
And
Of course,
if
they planned only for those couple of days, and then
Yeah.
imagine it getting
And if
extended
they
for like
are-
like months.
staying for a longer time, then their carbon dioxide release will also keep on increasing.
I agree. And then I also saw this post where they were saying that the longer like they stay in space, like something with their DNA could go wrong.
my god
And as soon as they land,
They could explode or something
yeah,
like that,
because
right?
like when you land, like the G-force and everything, like at times as soon as the astronauts land, they like faint or their
Yeah.
BP shoots up, like a certain
Yeah.
vein will just like pop
Yeah.
up and like burst inside of their bodies.
Yeah, because there's some problem
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
with
yeah.
the
Air pressure.
and
pressure,
everything.
yeah.
Yeah,
True.
and like if they stay there for longer, something could literally flip with their DNA and
I
everything.
get woozy
No,
after a
but-
flight
Exactly.
No,
like
but-
a small takeoff or like a small
Yeah,
Yeah.
makes you go
भाई
like,
roller
"Whoa."
coaster में होता है वो.
मेरा तो में होता है भाई मेरा तो रोलर कोस्टर में माँ बाप रिलेटिव सब निकल
जो
जाते
इसका
हैं
भगवान है भी नहीं वो भी याद आता है इसको नहीं हुआ है झूठ मत बोल
हुआ है. But shit, dude, like.
But
I
I
feel
so
damn
scary.
bad because
But I
imagine studying so much for so many years and then you finally get to go on a mission and then you're
they've been-
fucking
they have gone on like a
Other
bunch
missions?
of
Yeah.
missions, but
Before.
like
But I was saying
Still,
that
it's scary.
There's been other astronauts also who went to the space for a longer period of time, like 4 years, 5 years. But again, yeah,
They had the resources.
yeah, exactly. They had the resources
That's
to,
the only thing.
you know,
Like,
sustain
sustain
themselves
themselves, yeah.
for
Yeah.
4 or 5 years. But this is like crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Went there for like days and now they're stuck.
I honestly can't even imagine what they're going through. Like,
Yeah.
I swear.
mentally do they have a counselor
No.
there
चली जा.
call back से याद आया पता है who's coming back to India
Dua Lipa.
Dula Pipa Dula Pipa sorry
You
Dua
can fly
Lipa
Dula Pipa.
Dula Peep you know that
Yeah,
you know that
yeah.
Dula
Dula
Peep
Peep. Dula Peep.
so Dula Peep sorry Dua Lipa so Dua Lipa last performed in India in 2019
You were
and
gone for that,
I
right?
had gone for that. It was my first and last concert, guys.
Yeah.
It was Dua Lipa and Katy Perry, and I was fully expecting it to be so horrible. Dua said because at that time, if you remember, people were making so much fun of her for like having bad dance moves or
Yeah,
sharpener
Yeah,
dance.
that one. Yeah.
So I was like,
Yeah.
it's not gonna be a good performance. And I went there, and she had it was like 6-7 months after those
practiced.
memes,
Yeah.
and she had improved so much. I liked her set almost as much as Katy Perry, and Katy Perry is known to be like a huge
Performer.
performer and she
Yeah, yeah,
gets
yeah.
like this set and this experience, you know, with her because of her her songs, her pop songs, I was like over the moon. But what I kind of missed out on was Future Nostalgia was not out back then,
Oh.
and I didn't get to hear that in real life, and I really hope I get to hear it this time. I'm super pumped about Dua coming to India.
Yeah,
again.
it was crazy. Like
agree.
how Zomato is being able to pull off Dua Lipa,
Yeah. Last year who
Crazy.
come? Post Malone, right?
Post Malone.
Yeah.
So Dua Lipa has a very big Indian audience.
Yeah.
So it makes a lot of
And
sense
I
for
think-
Zomato to get.
And I think she loves India genuinely.
Didn't she come here for New Year's?
She came here for New
to
Year's
Jaipur,
to
no?
Jaipur.
Jaipur.
Yeah.
She celebrated her birthday also.
Yeah.
Did you know
Yeah.
Katy Perry once got married in Jaipur? In Udaipur, sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, once. Like her ex to one husband back.
Wow.
Yeah, her first wedding was in Udaipur. She has like some
Slave.
tattoo, some Sanskrit tattoo over here. I don't know what it says. Probably Gori or something.
And then the last time, I think during the concert when she came here, Dua Lipa,
Yeah.
the concert was in Pune, right?
No, it was D.I. Patil.
D.Y. Patil.
Yeah.
So she had been to Pune specifically for Dagdu Shet.
Yeah.
Do you guys know
Whoa.
Dagdu Shet
Yeah,
Ganpati?
yeah.
So she went to Pune to visit Dagdu Shet Ganpati, and she was wearing a sari
Aw.
with a like a bralette. So then
Okay.
people
To the mandir.
yeah, but she had still covered it. Okay.
Okay.
She had still covered it like pretty
Okay.
much, and then people kept on like criticizing her, bro.
God does not judge.
No.
No, there's a
Fuck all of that.
time and place to wear certain
Yeah,
outfits.
you should cover yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, but still if she has उतना उसको बताया गया है कि उसने ऐसा पल्लू वगैरह भी यहाँ से लिया है because
अच्छा ऊपर अंटी टाइप कवर किया.
हाँ ऐसे
Okay.
अच्छा तो
ये मैंने किया था ना पहले.
ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं लाउड
I
नहीं
know.
कर रही है वो.
Loudy but down.
हाँ. तो वैसा सब किया है. इतने तो मैंने कितने बार देखा था so many girls who wear crop top and jeans and go to mandirs. And these guys were the ones commenting on what she's wearing.
Yeah,
ब्रो अगर तुम है ना कमेंट करते हो ना इंस्टाग्राम में किसी सेलिब्रिटी के पोस्ट पे तो कसम से एक जॉब ले लो, एक काम करो जॉब पे बैठ जाओ, क्योंकि है ना सेलिब्रिटी को तुम्हारे कमेंट्स पढ़ने की कोई शौक नहीं, ना कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा आपके
टाइम भी नहीं होता वो लोग के
भाई
पास.
स्पेशली
हाँ,
दुआ लिपा तो बिल्कुल नहीं
दुआ
पढ़ रही.
लिपा तेरा कमेंट देखकर मतलब
बिल्कुल नहीं
एकदम
पढ़ रही.
शुक हो जाएगी, मतलब
Shook it. Shit.
शुकित हो
अभी तो
जाएगी
cover up
भाई.
करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
रमेश फ्रॉम पुणे says कि मैंने
Yeah.
कपड़े कम पहने हैं.
Ramesh,
Noted.
रमेश
Please
K-pop
wear-
lover.
please wear full pants first of all and then
केक
talk to me.
कटर, केक मर्डरर और 22nd
हाँ,
जुलाई.
Fell on earth.
Fell on earth. सिर के बल.
इसीलिए ऐसे कमेंट कर. Yeah, quite excited. She's coming on the 30th of November, no?
Yeah.
Love. I hope we get passes. Oh my god.
Let's
when
go.
last time I had
Even
seen it,
if
so
we
what had
don't, let's
happened
go.
was एकदम impromptu हो गया and
नहीं
my
तो
sister got
Spotify पे लगा के सुन लेंगे.
Spotify.
अरे ऐड आ गया.
Yeah. So my sister very last minute one of our friends like hooked us up with tickets. I'm thinking we're going to be in the nosebleeds. Turns out we're in the VIP.
Oh,
We were
wow.
very close. I was too close to do. I was like, am I allowed to be here?
Chulu
One girl, she started crying. One girl started crying when Dua came on.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So would I.
I don't know. She was like, I love her so much. I was
But
like,
like she's drop dead gorgeous.
she's very
Yeah,
gorgeous.
bro.
She's very good.
She's
very
so
good.
hot.
I would love to. I would love to see.
I
a
would
couple
love
of-
to see her sharpener step again in live.
Yeah.
I think she does it like
Not
a,
to
like
make
a higher
fun of it,
version of
But like it's an iconic step. I want to see
It is
Yeah.
iconic.
who would
for
you kill
sure.
to see live?
Weekend.
Zen Malik for sure.
Weekend, Zen Malik,
J. Cole.
Taylor Swift,
Nah.
Ariana
I'm
Grande.
not going with her to watch Taylor Swift. I'm never.
I wanna watch-
Srishti and I are not doing Taylor Swift again.
Ariana
J.
Grande.
Cole.
Ariana Grande.
Joji.
Joji.
J. Cole,
Bro, I will
Joji.
start weeping. I will.
Yeah.
And one more.
You know, I went through.
Secrets After Sex. I know they're coming next year, but
Yeah.
like none of y'all go to watch them.
I
None
was
of y'all
thinking.
listen to them, but
Yeah.
I
Last
do.
week I was thinking back because you mentioned Taylor Swift. And I just went into like a deep thought. It lasted like 2 good days of just like depression.
अरे
Okay,
बाप रे क्या हो गया?
because I realized that Taylor Swift had already announced that in December the Eras tour is ending forever. She's been touring for over 2 years, and I was like, I will never ever get to witness that.
तो आप मुंबई नहीं आ रहे हो?
It was no, it was a once in a lifetime thing. It was a huge tour, and so many people I know went, and so many people have
Yeah,
seen like influencers and everything, and it's just a part of me just like breaks when I get to know that I will not get to ever
witness.
witness this show
Yeah.
live, because if I see, I think I'll be crying for 3.5 hours that she's
Yes.
playing.
Yes.
3.5 fucking hours. Besides Folklore and Nevermore, because I don't care about them. Yeah. And like the pehle wala jo bhi Sabrina Carpenter jaise used to open.
Yeah.
Speaking of Sabrina, her new album has just come out. You know, short
No.
and sweet.
No, I don't follow her that
Yeah.
religiously.
Me neither.
The
Me neither.
album
Even
from
I
Please,
don't like-
Please.
Sabina.
Sabina.
Sabina bhabhi?
Sabina. Sabita bhabhi.
Who was that Alia Bhatt character in Gully Boy?
Definitely
Safina.
not.
Safina.
Yeah.
I like Safina. I like
Safina
Safina.
Plummer.
I like Safina Plummer more than Sabrina Carpenter.
Yeah, sure.
We are targeting a totally new audience now.
An audience that does not exist. So I think a lot of these songs that I heard, I heard the entire album, and I think a lot of them will be good hits. But you know, that entire album just reminded me of an era that Selena Gomez had when we were in school that just never worked out for her. That time that she was making songs
Wolves.
like
Same old.
Same
love.
old love.
she was making songs like
Wolves.
1 second, Bad Liar and
Bad Liar.
Fetish.
Fetish.
That is the exact era that Sabrina is doing right now, but the execution is obviously very different. The singing is very different, but it just feels like, you know, you've come home and you're like talking to your secret boyfriend on your old timey telephone, and you're just like, it's very innocent, flirtatious, but
Yeah.
like with a
Oh.
dark side to it. That's exactly how it. Especially the song called Taste. I felt like, oh my god, this is like what Selena couldn't do, and like Sabrina's doing it now. Sometimes it makes me feel like, was Selena ahead of her time, or like did she not execute it well? Because I really like that
I
era
like
of
Selena.
I like Selena.
Same.
I really like her songs. I still listen.
But
they're amazing.
How like Fetish
Beautiful
and
songs.
Bad Liar, that era
I
went
feel-
for her, it did not work for her.
I feel
Yeah,
she
yeah.
was ahead of her time.
She was way
She's
ahead of her
definitely
time.
ahead of her
agree.
time.
because from her music videos also like fetish and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It did
That's
not
how-
seem like it was from that era.
Don't you feel like
Definitely-
Sabrina also does kind of like that?
I
Like,
haven't seen from the only one that I've seen the music video is Please Please Please, and it did. I liked the music video. I definitely did like it, and
it's like violence, but like so innocent.
it's like they've glorified violence in a way.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a conversation.
I do not like when movies, TV shows, music videos do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, it's not a
I
nice
am
thing.
no. Some people be like, "Chal movie hai yaar."
Yeah,
In a
yeah.
real life story.
I
hai.
see how
Animal.
people like.
Animal, exactly. I am not a big fan of that genre. I don't care if it's a real life story. I mean, of
Same.
course, real life story hai, theek hai. But I don't care if it's just for the fun of it or for the sake of it. I'm not a big fan of such movies.
ठीक
I'll
नहीं
give
है.
you
Not
a hot
at all.
take.
Yeah.
Not a fan of music videos in general.
Oh, I love music videos.
I'll make up the story on my own. You don't have to give me visuals.
Yeah.
I mean,
I
from like
wouldn't
a
go and watch
from like a-
every song's music video.
same. Neither would I.
wouldn't.
But like, if I genuinely love the song, I would also want to be more amazed by what they did with the music
Yes.
video, because I feel like if the music videos are let down, it's not like I'd perceive the song differently, but in my mind I'd be like, "Arey yaar, for such a nice song, you could have done such a great job with the music video as well."
I agree.
Yeah.
So from a creative standpoint, I really want to like
So
put the time into watching
Yeah.
a good video.
So exactly like that, when we were in, I think this is right after school, 11th, 12th, and Laila Majnu had released back then. And I heard that song, Oh Mary Laila, and I instantly fell in love with that song. I was like, this is a very beautiful song.
It released back then, the movie?
The movie was released in 2018.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
Part 2 is coming.
No, that's not part 2. It is re-released right now because people loved it so much. So I'll tell you the whole thing. So in
2019, my first.
No,
2018.
2018.
2018.
2018. And I saw the movie on Amazon Prime only around 2018, 2019 something. And I did not expect the movie to be like that. I was like, oh, Laila Majnu, it's a cute romantic movie.
Yeah.
And I did not even know the fact that Laila and Majnu don't end up together.
Oh.
Wait, who is playing it?
Tripti Dimri is playing
Laila?
Laila's character, and Kes, the Majnu, he's being played by Avinash Tiwari, the guy who was in Madgaon right now, Madgaon Express.
Okay.
So I watched the movie, and there's this like beautiful transition from where Kes is like so desperate and like he's waiting for her. So Laila, there's this girl, she really loves her dad, she really loves her parents, she really loves her family. Okay, so I saw this on a reel that she is very like constrained or held back from the society. And Majnu, Kes, he has nothing to control over him. So
Yeah.
he's madly in love with her and giving her everything, and doesn't care if she's married, doesn't care if,
Okay, go
because
on.
her husband was very abusive. Uski zabardasti shadi
Laila
कराते
was
हैं.
married.
Laila was married.
Okay.
Her husband was very
She's a
abusive.
divorcee.
नहीं, फिर बाद में उसका husband मर जाता है.
Oh no.
Okay.
She was a widow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So उसको बहुत मारता था उसका husband वगैरह, and she used to think that मतलब मैं divorce दे दूंगी इसको, and then I'll go to Kes.
Hmm.
Then this Kes used to wait because Laila used to come and tell him अभी नहीं, थोड़ा time और रुकता है, थोड़ा time और रुकता है, and Kes used to like impatiently wait. Okay, I'll wait for you. फिर वो बंदे का, उसके husband का accident होता है, he dies. Then she was, as soon as he dies, she was happy, but again she's not being able to express that happiness because of the society.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then again
She's relieved.
yeah,
basically.
she was just, she felt very relieved. Then again when she was leaving her house to go and live with Kes, that time her dad is like कि अभी पूरे मतलब rituals तो पूरे होने दे,
हाँ.
फिर जहाँ पे जाना है जा. Then again Laila goes and tells Kes अभी नहीं, थोड़ा time और. And Kes मतलब मजनू वेट कर करके पागल हो जाता है.
Oh.
तो पागल का सिनोनिम है द वर्ड मजनून. Majnoon,
Okay.
like crazy.
Majnoon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
So that's why it's like Majnoon, he was only crazy for Laila.
Ah.
So
I
and then
got the chills.
and then he goes like, he actually becomes crazy. Like he could see Laila everywhere around him.
Hallucination.
He would hallucinate. And then when she came to see him, like he was in such a bad state, then she was like, we both have the same destination, and वो बस मेरे से बहुत आगे निकल गया है,
Oh.
और मुझे वहाँ पे पहुँचना होगा.
Oh, I'm very, very interested in this
Yeah.
now.
Acha, now
Yeah.
don't spoil.
Please go and watch
Yeah.
it.
Wait,
Yeah.
what was that movie with Sara Ali Khan? Even she has like hallucinations.
Atrangi Re.
Atrangi.
It was a
Beautiful movie.
damn good movie.
Beautiful
Damn
movie.
good.
Again,
Yeah.
a very underrated movie. Guys,
Yeah.
please go and watch Atrangi Re.
I
Very
actually,
good.
when you
movie.
kept talking about this night, I was thinking about the same one, and I was like,
Yeah.
I
It's damn
thought it
good.
was this
It's
one.
You
but
should
like,
watch it start till end.
Yeah.
You will be
I think
entertained.
I had the same conversation with y'all only
Yeah.
about
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
So
The
what
both
I'm
of us-
hearing is you don't listen to us.
Yeah.
That's why I remembered it now, because I thought I
इसलिए वो
started it and I
host है.
didn't.
Yeah,
तो
Pink.
हम क्या है?
नहीं इसीलिए वो
नहीं बता ना.
ये तो है ही नहीं।
ये तो है ही नहीं. पहले तो गलत कलर पहनकर आई है तू. है ना?
Yellow है तेरा.
येलो डर्टी फेलो. क्यों
Sorry.
तुम लोगों को क्यों लगता है दीपिका को येलो क्यों दिया? क्योंकि वो डर्टी फेलो है.
लाती नहीं है.
नहाती नहीं है. उसका बाथरूम तोड़ दिया ब्रो. दीपिका यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. वो
Yeah. She
हमारे
doesn't have
घर
a
पे
bath
आकर
anymore.
नहाती है.
हम लोग अलाउ नहीं करते. ठोकती रहती है.
Anyway, so what else happened this week?
oh so Raksha Bandhan recently went.
Yeah.
Went where?
चला क्या?
Came and went.
मेरे को बहुत पैसा मिला. बहुत पैसा
पूछा
मिला.
होता तो बड़ा मजा
तो
आता.
थोड़ा सा
बहुत मजा आता
मजा
है.
आता. मतलब ठीक है.
इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है एकदम.
बहुत interesting.
So there was this ad with Swiggy
Yeah.
and they partnered with Rakhi Sawant.
Oh,
Bro,
yeah, yeah, I
okay,
saw it.
let me manifest real quick. Dream guest on our podcast.
Rakhi Sawant.
I want
Rakhi Sawant.
to be
If
on the show.
कोई
at
और
least
आए.
once. Yeah, now.
नहीं, actually आओ.
No,
सब आओ.
Rakhi,
But
if you're watching
Rakhi,
this,
Rakhi.
You are
I
a
swear.
priority.
priority
I
भाई.
swear.
हम लोग
Priorities.
एक चारों में से एक को उड़ा देंगे तुझे
हाँ.
तो.
चलेगा.
Yes.
नहीं.
संजना,
हाँ.
संजना.
उसको हिंदी नहीं आती.
उसको
Yeah. नहीं आती मुझे.
But we really want.
राखी के साथ हिंदी में ही मजा आएगा मुझे लगता है.
बहुत.
What is that one thing that she always says?
बहन की पकौड़ी.
No.
बहन की
ऐसे
पकौड़ी.
hair flip करके कुछ तो बोलती है ना.
No, she doesn't
She
have a
says so many
catchphrase.
more,
She
so many iconic
iconic.
things. You can't like zero it down to one.
Yeah.
Spider-Man. Hanchi Funchi. Spider-Man.
No, मुझे बिल पे करने का मोड ही नहीं है. बिल पे करने का मोड ही नहीं है.
They had partnered with Rakhi on this ad for Rakhi.
Swiggy.
Raksha-Bandhan.
Yeah.
Swiggy.
अच्छा.
And it was such a wholesome ad. Like, you know how we've seen Rakhi through the paps and like how she's like a little cuckoo in the head.
Yeah.
And like she'll say anything, do anything, wear anything. And like this side of Rakhi where, you know, she's like telling her bachpan ka story, how she wanted to be famous ever since she was born.
This is a real side of her.
Yeah.
I've
This
not
is a
seen the
very
ad.
raw. Yeah, I've seen it.
It's
Yeah.
beautiful. You
And
should see
it's
it.
such, I just felt like I love this Rakhi as well, you know, like
I feel like
I don't, it doesn't have to be crazy.
You're
Yeah.
introduced
To
to,
be
a very
likable.
different side of her.
Yeah.
a brand has really gotten it right if people are talking about your fucking ads.
Exactly.
You know,
Yeah.
it's an ad. You're trying to promote your
Yeah.
app, and people are actually talking about it. You got something right.
Yeah.
So I kudos to the creators.
The
Good
ad-
PR.
Yeah.
Good PR, unlike
Good PR, good ideation,
Yeah.
everything, and the ad was like so simple, like no jhatak, nothing, just Rakhi and a monologue, and like
Yeah, she's literally sitting in the house and
Yeah.
like talking
flipping
about her
through her
story.
album,
Wearing
Bachpan
full
Ka album.
clothes.
I don't even give two
Yeah,
shits
that-
about
like,
that.
that
She can
doesn't
wear whatever she
matter.
wants.
Clothes.
But like, I was just
Bro, but everything looks good on her. I'm sorry. I don't know why. Whatever she wears,
She
I like
She
it.
Rakhi
carries it
Sawant
off.
walked
I like
so
it.
Urfi could run.
I
Yeah.
agree. I agree on that.
Yeah.
Real.
I agree on that. And I just love that ad. Like I keep watching it,
Yeah.
and I've also like heard from someone that that's exactly how she is
In real life.
in real life. Like she's all cuckoo in the head. She'll say anything, do anything, just be her own self.
So she's not the real one. She's not how she is in the ad. The ad was acting.
The
No,
ad is also
both-
a side of her, no?
Both of
Yeah.
them are real.
You can be very like calm and also be like a little in the head at the same time in the same person.
You can have two
It's,
personalities.
it's more like entertaining, right? For her, it's
Entertaining.
entertainment.
Yeah.
It's for her. It's
She's
I don't-
always wanted to be that person jo sabko hasati hai.
I wouldn't
Yeah.
take that as a negative connotation, though.
No,
no,
it's
it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not like she's crack or something, you know.
Yeah, that's just another side of her. That's the entertainer side of her.
Yeah, but we
And
never
it-
saw this.
I saw.
you know where she's
Yeah, yeah.
flipping through her own albums, sharing her
Yeah.
own story. We've never seen that.
Yeah.
Because even
Which
on
was,
her
like, very
Instagram page, on her personal Instagram page, you've not seen like this side of her where
Exactly.
she's
You've
like
not heard her speak in a normal tone.
yeah, true. She's
Yeah.
always had that entertainer voice and
Yeah.
personality showing through.
So
Yeah.
I saw this one reel in which she was being interviewed and asked like, what do you have what do you have daily? खाने में क्या खाते हो पूरा दिन में? Then she was like, मैं उठती हूँ सबसे पहले, फिर मैं बहुत पानी पीती हूँ, फिर मैं ब्लैक कॉफी पीती हूँ, फिर मैं क्यूकम्बर खाती हूँ और मैं फ्रूट का एक बोल खाती हूँ. And then she kept saying like all these healthy, एक चपाती खाती हूँ, फिर उसके साथ मटकी की सब्जी वगैरह. It's like, bro, why don't you let this side of you out as well?
Exactly.
It's not what she knows, right? So when she entered the industry, it
Yeah.
was very
It was a
hard for you
very
to make a
different
name
time.
if you're just being yourself, right? Being
Yeah.
yourself gets you attention now.
Yeah.
It's not when back then she had to do that shit.
Yeah.
She had to do
Yeah,
the
yeah.
IPL song. She had to
She
be
had
like
to.
that.
Jhalli
Jhalli,
For
jhatak.
whatever reason it may be, back then, I'm pretty sure, like, of course, there were actors and actresses who entered the industry along with her. But then they've somehow found a way to adapt to the present situation.
Right.
And for some reason, she just didn't want to or couldn't.
Exactly.
So that's why people look at her in a completely different light as what they see other celebrities
I can
from her
imagine
era.
Rakhi and her anxiety behind like losing everything that she has because she came from like very, very humble,
Humble
beginnings.
Very.
And
Yeah.
you know, it has worked for her for so long. I can imagine she's like anxious about losing all of it, so she does not
Yeah.
want to
Yeah.
make that change. I see that. Of course, I don't know her personally. Rakhi, we would love to have you, but yeah,
Yeah.
that's what maybe that is one side of it.
Yeah, definitely.
Bro, you know Cardi B does not fly in any private jet. She flies first class in commercial only.
We love her.
I love
Because
Cardi
it
B.
makes so much sense. Why would you buy a plane? Are you mad?
Exactly.
How does anyone
Fuck buying a
justify their
plane.
purchase?
Kim
buy
made an airline of her own
You
airline.
buy a plane.
This is the even worse decision than Kingfisher. Like, this is worse than that.
You buy a private jet, and on top of that, you call the paps. Well, if you want to be photographed, if you want to be known by people, तो
खुद का
जाओ
सेल्फी लेने डाल दे.
तो जाओ ना फिर कमर्शियल में तो फिर
Yeah.
दिखेंगे सब लोग.
But like, that's what a lot of like celebs do. They call paps only whenever
No,
they're
Paps
going.
are at the airport. There's one exit that's
Yeah,
for celebrities.
That is so
Yeah,
there
I
only.
think.
But sometimes they also
पूरा
call
दिन उधर ही
them.
खड़े रहेंगे.
वो लोग
That's
रहते
their
हैं.
job.
Bro, some people are
Like they're in
employed
and
to
out of
just
like these
stay there.
places.
Yeah, Viral must have like other people that work for him. That like one guy to will be standing there for Viral, like that. Like and then like if some actors come down
yeah.
or something, like immediately he gets the video. ऐसा ही होता
Yeah.
होगा.
बाप रे.
Crazy.
तो मतलब बीच में खाना वाना खाने भी नहीं जाते.
वहाँ पर कितनी चीजें हैं खाने के लिए. इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट देखा तुमने?
नहीं मैं तो कभी गई नहीं बाहर.
पता है, दिख रहा है.
कौन बोल रहा है?
Yeah.
Okay.
आज बहुत क्रेजी हो गया ब्रो.
बहुत.
हमने बहुत चीजें कवर की. And you know what? If you guys want us to cover something very specific, please let us know through DMs or comments. We're always reading whatever you guys have to say. And yeah, we will miss you. We miss you every time we don't shoot. But until next time, subscribe, like, share, comment, do all of the good things. And if you're listening on an audio platform like Spotify or Apple Podcasts, please follow us there. And I just got to know that we are not on Apple Podcasts. But if you want that, let us know, because we will give you what you want. The Besharam audience does not go empty-handed. We love you so much. We miss you.
Bye,
And
guys.
until next time, stay
Stay
Besharam.
Bye.
Besharam.
Stay Besharam.